using the, I got the Chamberlain LiftMaster. I'm going to show you the number one reason it'll make that sound and not raise. If it holds true, it's an $11 part. You can get it from Amazon in 2 days. I'll leave a link to get to it, if that's it, down below. If not, this video won't be made. Alright, so I'm going to undo 2 bolts, and that one has a swing arm, and it's going to come down and go here. So, I'll show you. I pull this down, it'll come down at that angle like that, and there's the piece. Right there. There's another piece right there. There's your busted piece. Alright, let's go to Amazon. I'll leave you a link below. There's the new one. So as you see here, so these two here, I took these 2 nuts off, and now I'm going to pull these out, spread it apart, put the new coupler in, and put it back together. So this is still holding on. I took the 2 screws out, slid it back a little bit, and gave my gap. Need a little more gap. There you go. That was pretty easy. Now I just got to put these 2 bolts in, and then go back up and put those 2 bolts in. Let's see how